Kroda FM, Kroda Communication Limited, Abuja, FM Abuja. We FM, King's Broadcasting Limited, FM Benin. Linksman International Limited, KEFI. Bome Broadcasting Services Limited, Abuja. Me TV or MITB, Muri International Group Limited, Ibadan. Classic FM, Pink Nigeria Limited, Lagos. Classic TV Pink Limited, Lagos also. And Beat FM, Megalistic Limited, Lagos. Cooper Communication Limited, Lagos. Splash FM, West Midlands Limited, Ibadan. Rock City FM, Boot Communications Limited, Ibadan. Abekuta. Family FM, Calax Investment Limited, Ilugun. Space FM, Ibadan.
Attention, please.
Radio Jeremy Limited, Efurun. Breeze FM Based Water Limited, Akure. Vibes FM, Vibes Communication Limited, Benin. Family Love FM, Multimedia Broadcast Company Limited, Port Harcourt. Wave FM, South Atlantic Media Limited, Port Harcourt. Not only private radio or television stations are affected, the Commission is also now directing the closure of these state radio and television stations immediately within 24 hours. Kogi State Broadcasting Corporation, owned by Kogi State Government. Kwara State Broadcasting Corporation, owned by Kwara State Government. Niger State Broadcasting Corporation, owned by Niger State Government. Gombe State Broadcasting Corporation, by Gombe State Government. Lagos State Broadcasting Corporation, owned by Lagos State Government. Lagos DSB is a television station. Osun State Broadcasting Corporation, owned by Osun State Government. Ogun State Broadcasting Corporation, by Ogun State Government. Ondo State Broadcasting Corporation, by Ondo State Government. Rivers State Broadcasting Corporation, by Rivers State Government. Bayelsa State Broadcasting Corporation, owned by Bayelsa State Government. Imo State Broadcasting Corporation, owned by Imo State Government. Anambra State Broadcasting Corporation, owned by Anambra State Government. Borno State Broadcasting Corporation, owned by Borno State Government. Yobe State Broadcasting Corporation, by Yobe State Government. Sokoto State Broadcasting Corporation, owned by Sokoto State Government. Also, we have Zamfara State Broadcasting Corporation, owned by Zamfara State Government. Kebbi State Broadcasting Corporation, owned by Kebbi State Government. Jigawa State Broadcasting Corporation, by Jigawa State Government. Kaduna State Broadcasting Corporation, owned by Kaduna State Government. And then finally, Katsina State Broadcasting Corporation, owned by Katsina State Government. They are all expected to stop operation within the next 24 hours. Eh? Okay, Cross River State Broadcasting Corporation is also included. Sorry. All broadcast stations who have not renewed their license for the current duration are advised to do so within the next 30 days to avoid sanction. The Commission also calls on all IPTV, Internet Protocol Television, and all other broadcast stations that are streaming online to register with the Commission to avoid disconnection. Broadcasters should note that having a DTT or FM licensed station does not warrant a broadcaster to stream online. They are two different things, and they are therefore requested to come and have, be registered with the Commission. Thank you very much.